So that's what I do. I tell you, look, here are the tools that you need to set up for this. Here's the places we're going to be posting this resume. And one of the main key features that I do, aside from the format and telling you how to do all that stuff, is I actually show you how to do the keyword research. How do you find what career path to do? Because that's a really important thing. You need to know what path you're doing. Because here's the thing. You can see there's misspellings in this book. This is a rough draft, okay? What I do is I write it as fast as I can. I take all the knowledge and I dump it into this book, and then I go through it like 2 or 3 times and edit it myself. Then I give it to an editor. So that's why you might see some misspellings. There's some errors in here. Just ignore that stuff. That's going to be cleaned up as I release this. This is going to be released on Amazon, on my personal site. I'm going to advertise it everywhere. What I'm going to show you how to do is how to find a specific category of cybersecurity, because this is one thing that some of the gurus out there and some of the subject matter experts and some of the pen testers and stuff, they don't talk about this. This is a huge career field. Cybersecurity is huge. So you don't have just pen testers. You would think that cybersecurity is just a bunch of people in a closet hacking stuff, and that could not be further from the truth. This is actually a huge career field, and it's getting deeper and deeper.